Hi everybody, welcome to Two Awesome Dads Adventures. I'm Jody, and Jeff, the other awesome dad, is behind the camera today. What we're going to talk about in this episode is on my 2014 Triumph Tiger Explorer is the headlight guard that I have placed on it. We're just going to give you a quick demonstration on how to install it and how it comes off. So stick around and hope you enjoy it. What we have here now is it out of the package. This came actually from Island Motorcycle Company, which has a Triumph dealership just outside of Victoria, British Columbia. This is where I picked up my Triumph headlight guard. Now, it comes with its own set of screws, so when we actually are taking the screws out of the bike, we can just toss those ones away or put them somewhere safe. We've already put Loctite on these ones. They're a little bit longer because what's going to happen is in your parts kit you have rubber grommets that are fitted over a tube bayonet style type of plastic device that the screws are going to go through and fit into the bike. That's why you got the longer ones here. So what I'm going to do now is we've installed 3 already, as you can see, and what I'm going to do is put this last one in, and it's a good idea to use some sort of lubrication. This is what I simply do rather than getting something else, but I just kind of wet that baby up. And I'm going to place it in here, and this is going to take a little bit of wiggling and some pressure to get it into place because of that rubber grommet. A little bit of fiddling, and 10 minutes of playing with it later, it will be in. Alright, so here's what I've done is I actually took the rubber grommet off of this peg here and placed it into the plastic piece. It just seems to be much easier. So now what I'm going to do is now put the plastic piece through the rubber grommet, and boom, it's on. So I'm taking the headlight guard now, the bolts that came supplied with it, with the thread locker on it already, simply placing it right over top and lining it up with the previous holes and mounting them in there with my ratchet and my 3mm hex head spinning in the right direction. Now I simply start screwing it in. It's that easy. Hopefully you don't scratch your lens like I just did. And away we go. And this is very, very simple. The only problem with this is it's not like Jeff's headlight guard that I found where his actually simply just pops off very easily. This actually requires the screws to be used. I tried pulling it off one time like his, and what happened was the rubber grommets just went flying all over the place. So I realized, well, you know, the proper way if I want to take this off and clean it is, guess what? I'll just have to unscrew it. Otherwise, get my tiny little fingers in a cloth underneath here, maybe some cotton swabs, which I bring with me on all my trips. No, I don't. And there we go. All 4 of them in, nice and snug and tight. And that will do the job. Now, of course, remember, we're just going to put them in finger tight at first, and then we're going to go around opposite as such and snug them up. As simple as that, and you got your new headlight guard on, which provides that much more safety for your headlights. Should they get hit by rocks and this breaks, you've still got your normal headlight system if you're off in the bush somewhere or something. So we really hope you liked and enjoyed this episode. Please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps us. Leave comments and suggestions if you want, and maybe some ideas. But here's the Triumph clear headlight guard. Thank you, everybody. See you next time. Hi, everybody. Okay, take 3. Hi everybody. It's sorry. 3, take 1. Whenever you do your thing, yeah.
Scene 3, take 1.